Hello, today we're going to be doing find the missing number. So basically you have an array here. Numbers are in increasing order sequentially by 1. So 1 through 10, there's one missing number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The missing number is 5 in this case. 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to find the missing number in between 1 and 10. And it can't be like 0. It can't be outside this 1 and to 10 range. It can't be 0. It can't be 11. So to do this, we basically have to iterate through. So we're going to store the result and pass that back. I'm going to start it with 0 and I'll return the result just to get rid of the squiggly lines there. Okay. So first thing we need to do is sort it. Now we're just going to loop through it. So we're going to start at 0. This is going to be input length. We're going to do -1 so we don't get an index out of range. So all we're going to do basically is compare the number, so input I, with the very next number. So we're just going to add 1 to this number. Input I plus 1. And then we're going to subtract 1. So in this case, the first number is 1, and then input 1 plus 1 is 2, and then you subtract 1, which gives 1. So that means those are in sequential order. But if they're not, then you found your answer. So result equals the input I, and we have to add 1 to it. And that is pretty much it. Let's run it. As you can see, it found the number 5. So pretty straightforward, common interview question. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.